and to the garage we have made it. Now I want to talk to you about these two items I have right here, and because we gotta work fast because that smell from the mouse nest is starting to blow in from the north here and really get to me. Now we have these mouse repellent for like some sound waves, sonar things with some lights on them. You plug it into the battery, doesn't take a lot of power, and so it's gonna run off the battery on a trickle, and it's gonna emit the sound waves. And then to power it all and keep the battery nice, it's gonna be the solar charger as well. 5 watts, and it should be really good. I think it's gonna really work out pretty well. So, go ahead, start installing this right now. Got this shebang right here. Man, it stinks. Ugh. Screwdriver, USB power, and the 2 packs, so double that. Ties, pretty much exactly what we need right here. So the battery terminal is actually over there, so we have to hook that up right over there. Pretty simple with a big old mouse on the front there. Power switch, and put batteries in there too. Well, that's nice. Well, I don't think it's gonna reach back here, so I'm gonna go over yonder, over there instead. And welcome back to more ghetto setups with GTSam. Okay, so went ahead and did a little modifying here a bit. Got the speaker right here, and I read the instructions. I actually read the instructions, yes. So it's gonna go ahead when we have it on switch. Oops, get that out of there. Keep it on the plastic, man, keep it on the plastic. So when we turn it on, it's gonna flash a few times with the lights. It's gonna do a little sound, and it has a vibration sensor as well to sense when it's moving and the car is on. And then also it's gonna emit the frequency, and it'll be green on top when we are good to go. So put that right here. So we got the ground right here. So I went ahead and took my cable. This is the jump spot, of course, but I went ahead and took down below, there's like 2 bolts holding it in place. I kind of snuck it down in there. It's right on there, and we got power for it. So go ahead and take the ground now, negative. So let's see here. Maybe you'll be able to hear it. Maybe not. Let's go. And I'm turning it on now since we're connected. Flashing, ticking, vibrating. Lights are on. So it does it for a couple seconds, like 10 seconds, I think, in a minute. It's like 1 second, it does it, something like that. No, 10 seconds of action, 100 seconds of waiting, and then it'll go back on. So we've got the green flashing light right here. There it is. So we are active. So that's always good. Now we just gotta find a place to mount this up. So I think that's actually gonna work all right.
Time to show you some of my ingenuity. So, see if we can actually close this. I ran the wire down off to the side here, just enough room. Keep it clean. Come on over here. Then ran the wire up and around. I'm gonna run it through this way. Keep everything nice and tidy. It's gonna go over here. Then I'm gonna mount it right up to here. And go right on this bar, shine down right there perfectly to where they hang out. That's where their bar is. And then I messed that up. Then right over here, you can see a little bit. We have 2 grounding screws, bolts right here, 8mm. Took the one out. Let's put that here, and then I'm gonna put my cable right underneath. So that should work perfectly, honestly. Slide that under. And keeping it clean, keep it clean. Let's go ahead and get the anti-mouser into action. Anti-mouser sounds like Ninja Turtle.
Here it is, man, bolted, I say bolted, but yeah, that's zip ties. You got 3 on there, pointed down right to where they hang out, the club down here below. So I got my power cable right here, nicely rooted, kind of like OEM style, really nice looking. Also, I'm finding a lot of poop around here, so obviously we still have problems. Hopefully that bait is working very quickly on overtime. So let's plug it in and see how we did. Aha, I heard a beep, flip it on. Flashing, as you can see. We gotta move on now to the solar panel. Let's go ahead and look around and see where I'm gonna put this. Now, I do wanna clarify that they do recommend 2 for 1 car, but I just wanna use 1 for each one, see how we do. D-ring, and I got your cabling. Power adapter for the car if you need it. We got, oh nice, got the clips. Oh, very nice indeed. Panel, yeah, this is the high quality stuff here. It's got the nice panel, the updated one, and then has a nice exterior too. Really, seems pretty rugged. Okay, I like it. The systems are installed. Now what we have to do is clean the Jag before putting the car cover on, and then we'll be good to go for the winter. Is this gonna work? I want to find out. So stick with me here. I'm gonna wait a couple weeks. I'm gonna come back, see how we do. So here we go, couple weeks and go. The wait is over. We now get to know the results of did this mouse repellent work and solar panel. Let's find out. So as you can see, different locations, been a little bit of time, and there she is, still clicking and clacking away. No problems whatsoever anymore. We've done amazingly, and this is a great result. I'm really happy with everything, and my connections over there are still rocking solid. This thing, and it's been honestly a good amount of time from when we made the original videos to now, and no more rats, mice issues, or anything like that. I've installed these devices on like 4 of my other vehicles. Worked great, actually. One time there was only one mishap with my Acura TL that they actually ate through the wiring for that mouse deterrent and then also the solar panel as well. So that was really extreme. I don't know why that happened. That was probably like just a big mutant rat at that point. Master Splinter? Anyways, now we can go ahead and see now the trunk area. So what we did is we put the actual solar panel on the window here, stuck it on there when the sun came out, able to maintain the battery. And we're able to run it right down inside here, right into the battery where it lives. So, you know, everything's okay. So it lives right down underneath there, right here. And we're into there, and it held everything beautifully, charged it up, no problems. It ran great, and still does. And the batteries are still fresh and nice, ready to roll. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit a thumbs up right there. Make sure you subscribe down below. More content quite like this and much more in the Jag. And we have so much more coming on this. It's a beautiful, amazing ride. Well, putting it back together, but then also driving it, yeah, that too. So much coming up on that. But if you want the tools and the parts and the devices that I used in this video for yourself here to avoid rats and rodents infestation, check the links in the description below to go ahead and purchase those. And guys, make sure you leave some comments down below, any questions or comments about anything. It'll help you talk about all those things as well. But guys, thank you again so much for watching. This is GTSam. I'm going to catch you next time.